Hello everyone. Happy September 6th. Today we celebrate bookworms, working warriors, and something surprisingly sweet. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Read a Book Day. A cozy call to get lost in the pages of a great story. A perfect gift could be a best-selling novel, a personalized bookmark, or a reading light for late-night chapters. What book are you reading right now? Drop your recommendations in the comments. Next, it's National Fight Procrastination Day. A motivational nudge to tackle your to-do list, one task at a time. A thoughtful gift could be a productivity planner, a desk organizer, or an inspiring wall print. What's one task you're checking off today? Let us cheer you on. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Coffee Ice Cream Day. A deliciously chilled celebration for caffeine lovers and dessert fans alike. A great gift could be a pint of gourmet coffee ice cream, a coffee-themed dessert set, or a make-your-own kit. Are you team espresso swirl or mocha crunch? Let's settle the scoop in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 6th to 10th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.